Hello viewers, welcome back to my another video. In this video, I will show you how to clear system data on your iPhone. Method 1. Clear unnecessary voice memos. To do this, on your device, open Voice Memo. Tap on Edit button. Tap on Edit button at the top right corner to select the voice memo you wish to delete from the app. Now tap the trash or delete icon to delete the select item. Method 2. Clear iMessage and configure Auto-Delete feature. To do this, open Messages app. On the top right corner, click on the three dots icon and select Messages. Next, select all unnecessary or messages that have large attachments and select Delete. After that, open Settings app. Find and tap on Message. Scroll down. Under Message History, click on the Keep Messages. Now select your preferred time frame. This will automatically delete the messages from the iMessage app. Method 3. Clear Safari's history. To do this, open Settings app. Find and tap on Safari. Scroll down and select Clear History and Website Data. In the pop-up window, select Clear History and Data to confirm the process. Method 4. Delete heavy apps and reinstall them. On your iPhone, long press the icon of the third-party app you wish to remove. To delete an app, tap the minus icon. Press the Delete App button to confirm your action. Alternately, you can hold down the icon for 3 to 4 seconds and select Remove App. Then reinstall the application that you have uninstalled. Method 5. Update your iPhone. Your iPhone can also be updated to the latest iOS version to resolve the other storage issue. To update, open Settings app, find and tap on General, tap Software Update. If any update available, download and install it. Method 6. Remove unnecessary mails from Mail app. Several iPhone users reported a significant reduction in storage space taken up by unnecessary mails on their Mail app. Removing all such emails from your iPhone will be the right option to clear system data on iPhone. On your device, open the Mail app. Select the Junk folder to see all the unnecessary emails in your inbox. In the top right corner, tap on Edit button and select all the emails that you wish to remove from the Junk category. You can also select all emails in the upper left corner by clicking Select All. Then tap Delete to delete all selected emails. Now do the same for the primary inbox using the above steps. Method 7. Offload Apps. You can uninstall an app directly to save space, while offloading an app can also be a good alternative to clear the storage. When you offload an app, it removes it from your device but saves all of your data that you can access once you reinstall it. To do that, open Settings app, find and tap on General, scroll down and look for iPhone storage. Find the app you want to offload. Then click on that app, hit the Offload app. Method 8. Resetting your iPhone. This can be another option if you want to clear all your data simultaneously. Remember, before you reset your iPhone, make sure you have backup your data to iCloud. In order to reset your iPhone, you need to backup your device first and then erase all content and settings. Backup your device. To backup, open Settings app, Tap on your Apple ID at the top of the menu. Click on iCloud. Scroll down and click on iCloud Backup. To reset your iPhone, open Settings app. Tap on General. Scroll down. Tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone. Tap on Erase all content and settings. Enter your iPhone's passcode, then tap on Erase to confirm the process. It will take a while to reset your device. Once it is reset, it will boot as a new device. This was today's video. Hope you like and enjoy the video. Do like, comment, share and also subscribe to Apple Info YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.